Video is for educational and documentary purposes only. 18 plus only. Thank you for not deleting me, YouTube. Hey, Hipper 420 here. I'm having to do the transplant into the 5-gallon pots now. They both have true leaves, but the purple lemonade decided to fall over, and so I had to get it in some soil and stake it up and hope for the best. Usually you just bury it until it stands up. The weak stem will turn into roots while the strong stem grows. We're using 5-gallon AC Infinity pots. We're using Mother Earth's groundswell. I got a new little bag here that I'm adding to this. And then 20 tablespoons of Wiggle Worm organic worm castings. 20 tablespoons of this Wakefield biochar that I got from Walmart, and 10 tablespoons of Gaia Green 444 all-purpose amendments. So I've already done purple lemonade. I don't have my my tripod out or my microphone on, so I'm trying to be a little loud because I'm in my air conditioning. I'm gonna pause this and fill this up and transplant her, and then I'll show you what we got going on. We'll have them in the tent, and hopefully they'll both take off and grow some nice, beautiful big autoflowers. Okay guys, hold on. Okay, we're all done transplanting. We're in 5-gallon pots, AC Infinity, with re-amended groundswell, Mother Earth's groundswell soil, with a half of 9-ounce bag, I think, of new Mother Earth's groundswell, 10 tablespoons of Gaia Green 444 all-purpose, 20 tablespoons of worm castings, that's organic wiggle worm worm castings, and then 20 tablespoons of the biochar. We don't have the oscillating fan going yet, but we do have the humidifier. It's set at 60%. We have not checked the PPFD of the lights. I just have them on. The supplemental lighting is going. Yeah, and then we got the exhaust fan saying that we're at 71 degrees Fahrenheit in the tent, 54% humidity, 58, again 60. The fan is set at 6 for speed. And I'm going to turn on this fan for the light. This fan helps keep the light cool. Spider Farmer is what we mainly use in my grow room. Grow Homa Genetics, Can, and more Grow Homa Genetics. Some stickers from my local dispo. I am not sponsored by any of these. If they would like to sponsor me, I'd be more than appreciated, but otherwise I just have fun doing what I do. Okay guys, well, let's give you a close-up. This is Strawberry Cough. She's looking pretty. purple lemonade. It's kind of hard to see because of the steak, but she's looking better. So hopefully she'll just strengthen up her stalk, and the part that I buried will become roots and just add to a root ball and make her stronger. Okay guys, well that's about it for now. Catch you on the foot side. 420 out. Hey, Hit Rippers 420 here. Today is day number 5 for the purple lemonade and strawberry cough grow. And put in some fly traps, some sticky traps. As you can see, I got a bunch of different kinds of flies. And one on this one. Here's the purple lemonade. She is doing great. So I got her all propped up with some soil and got the steak. I don't think the steak is really doing much now, but we're just gonna leave it in there for a little while just to make sure that she stays straight. I mean, she bent over with a kink in her. She had a nasty kink. It looked like she was gonna break in half. So we just buried her down into some soil, and now that she's popped back up and she's just doing good. Here's the strawberry cough. She's doing fantastic also. I gotta get some zip ties and put my supplemental lighting back up. As you can see, it's all falling down. The Velcro's coming on stick. Not a very good idea from Spider Farmer. They should have made it so you can mount them a lot different. Anyways, PPFD is about 160. Fan is on the very first setting, so on level 1 on low. Still have the humidifier set at 60% humidity. We're sitting at 76 degrees Fahrenheit, 58%, 59% humidity, 60. Fan is on level 6. And of course this fan is going for the keeping the diodes nice and cool. I forgot what you call this right here, but anyways, keeping it nice and cool. So today is water day. Well, almost every day is water day. We have a pump sprayer, Vivio Sun pump sprayer with a wand on it, with RO water, pH at 6.5 with clean kelp. And so we're just gonna, these things you can get wet, so that's the nice thing about these. So I ain't worried about moving it. So we're gonna give her about a shot and a half of water. We're gonna sit here and just spray in one area. Give her about an ounce of water, an ounce or two. There, that should be good. Now for purple lemonade, same thing for her, about an ounce or two of water. Okay, that should be good. Good. Once they're big enough, I'll start giving them water from a little measuring cup, and that will have some stash blend in it. You don't know what stash blend-in is, I'll show you. It's one of my little secret weapons that I use to get my plants so nice and healthy and big and just full of goodness. Okay guys, well, that's about it for now. Hit Rippers 420 out.